Hello, it's Ali. I've been chatting to the people at Reewild. It's a new app over on the App Store. There's an article about it on my website, Incredibusy, and if you use the code Incredibusy when you download the app, they'll give you a month's free subscription. And there you will be able to track what you have been emitting in terms of your carbon, and you pop your products that you've eaten in the same way that you would with a calorie counter, and it calculates your emissions. That's my breakfast. And it will then show you how many trees you have planted to counteract and offset. So they've got lots of different projects, so you can see all of the trees I've planted. This one, a project in Mozambique, Eden project worked on. The other thing that you can benefit from is brands like Alpaca, Dash and Karma Cola, working in conjunction with Reewild. You offer the app customers 20% off, 30% off their products. Anyway, they're all kind of good eco products that you can check out there. Let me know if you download it. It looks like it could be quite interesting. I'm going to calorie count my lunch now in terms of carbon emissions to see what my daily emissions are for that and what I can do in terms of offsetting.